back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. Death hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my better like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, boy serve you sure, even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep
morning chat, it was good.
For the ones mistreated, till the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking the day we can sing up the one to get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk.
What up, everybody? Welcome in.
Walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.
What's good? What's good? What's good, chat? Hope you're doing well. Happy Tuesday. Good to see y'all. W's in the chat. What up, Yanosh? What's good? Got a trade in the house. Billy O'Neill in the building. Mr. Lopez. What's up, Nikki? What's up, AJ? What up, LeGrand? What's good? What's good? Morning, Flip. Good morning, OGH. Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? AB Mike in the building. What up, AB Mike? What up, George Pope? George Pope, Mr. BTC in the house. What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? Good morning, Chala. Chala was the first man here today. Good morning, Usman. Nate G in the building. 3 ants. I see ya. Where's the 4th? What up, Magnus? What's good, everybody? Let me set up here and we're gonna get started. How y'all feeling today? Good? If you guys are feeling good today, type a W in the chat. Say my name is in the building. Rapid Max, I see you. What up, Nathan? Got a trade in the house. What up, got a trade? What up, Young Pipper? What's up, Sammy? Good morning, everybody. Ewan in the building. Dropout Trader is in the building. Good morning, Scott. Yeah, 1 sec here, chat. Let me get everything set up. How y'all feeling this morning, man? Give me one word. How you guys feeling this morning? Zoom. There we go. All right, cool. We are good. We are good. And we are good. All right, perfect. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Let me lower the music a little bit. Let's see, how's everyone feeling today? Elevated, amazing, unstoppable. Woo, good. W. What else? Fantastic, grand, favored. Holy. Okay. Who else? Who else? Who else is shy out there, but you're feeling a little something today? Blessed, grateful, hungry. W. They hungry. That brother's starving. Profitable. That sounds good to me. Yeah, man. Let's go ahead and get the day started here. Today is Tuesday. Today is the what is today? Today's the 9th day of July, and it's another day, another opportunity for us to be patient and disciplined and professional here in the markets, and that's what we're gonna do. We're going to kick it off with a prayer, and then we're going to rock and roll. Let me pray for y'all, and let's get started. Father in heaven, Lord, I come to you in the name of Jesus. Lord, we thank you for another day, Lord. Another day, another opportunity, Lord, that we get to live. We're just happy to be here. We're just happy to be here today, Lord. That's my word of the day. I'm happy, man. I'm just happy to be alive and grateful to be exactly where I'm at, right where my feet are here today, Lord. I pray that you bless each and every person right where their feet are as well today, Lord. I pray that you would sing to their hearts, Lord. Let them know you love them. Let them know that they're never, ever too far gone and too far out of your reach, Lord. We thank you for it. We ask that you would bless each and every person coming in and out of the live stream here today, and we thank you for it in advance, and we give you all the glory for a profitable day here. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Amen, amen. W's, W's, W's. Morning's been great, Mr. Stu. Yeah, having a great morning here. Secured, already took a trade here in pre-New York, took gold sells, closed at around 18 pips. The rest of it got stopped at BE. Still holding on my other account though, and yeah, everything's going fantastic for me. I'm happy. Happy. But anyway, on to the next best trade here. So let's go ahead and get started on the live stream. How's the music? Is the music okay here? Let me know, let me know. Let me know. Good. Too high, too low. Holla at me. Holla, holla, holla. I'm going to lower it a little bit because I feel like it might be a little too loud. All right, that should be good. That should be good, right? We good? There we go. That's got to be good. Okay, let's go ahead and get the day started here, chat. Welcome in, everyone. As you guys settle in here, give the stream a like. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. We're gonna basically run you through our routine, run you through a top-down analysis. We're gonna take a look at the news real quick. But first, we ask that you like the stream, sub to the channel, and just get ready to learn here today, man. It's gonna be a great day. Hope you got your notepads out. You just never know what's going to pop out here on the TT live stream. So be ready to learn, be ready to catch some wisdom here today. And I don't know what's going to come out, but I know something's going to come out because I know whose I am and I know the mission I'm called here for. So let's see what we can do here on the 9th day of July, right? Let's go over it here. Let me just grab my tools and boom, we're good here. Let me move my chat. Good morning, everyone. What up, White Shark? Oh, no music. Let me hook y'all up. Hold on. Can't be doing Zoom dirty like that. All right, Mr. White Shark, your wish has been granted. Your wish has been granted. Excuse me. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So again, today is July 9th here. It is another day, another opportunity for us to really be professionals, right? Let's make sure we stick to being professionalism. Let's make sure we continue to stay responsible here at the desk. Today's the 9th here. We only have one really important thing going on here today, and that's going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern. So that's going to be way at the tail end of our session and our time here together today. But we will have, we will have this guy, Mr. Powell, speaking at 10 a.m. here today. So the big news isn't going to come till really tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, mainly Thursday and Friday this week, as we're going to approach CPI and all that stuff later on, PPI on Friday as well. So let's enjoy Tuesday. Let's enjoy tomorrow, and that's pretty much going to be pretty clean. No news, no interference at any like high volume times. And then Thursday and Friday we'll get ready for CPI and all that good stuff. So that's it, man. Nothing much here today. Let's just kind of follow price action and stay locked in on price. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis here and get the day started. Let me just grab trading view. All right, perfect. So Let's look at the weekly real quick because it is Tuesday, right? So one thing is we've been following price, right? So we've been tracking price. We've been on it like white on rice here. It's not been able to really do much without us. So we've understood the price movement, right? And that's the most valuable piece of consistency, is that you understand what price is doing, what price is done. You're hanging out with price on a day-to-day basis, right? So imagine when you hang out with someone every single day, you begin to learn about them, you begin to understand them a lot better. So shout out to all you guys who are being consistent, showing up here to the stream every single day, same session, same times, marking up your charts. It will pay off, trust me. You know, I've been doing this now for 4.5 years, right? Showing up to the charts every day, New York session, never missing a day, and just watching price. So that's what's going to happen. You guys are going to notice that happening. And let's go ahead and take a look, right? So we know that we took a big leg up, right? We rallied up here, and now we've created this range. So we've just been consolidating really for the last couple of weeks on gold here, right? On the weekly time frame, just kind of consolidating. Now, one thing we can see here is that this candle closed strong bullish, but it closed with no top wick, right? So candle closed with no top wick. This one hasn't even made a top wick yet, so there's been zero bullish pressure at all within this candle here. So price has just been pushing down. You do have resistance right here. We'll see if we can get a breakout of the range, right? That's kind of like what we're looking for. Last week, no shot, right? We just pushed up last week. NFP really gave that candle a lift, and now we're just kind of retracing here. So we're still in the range, all in all, in the weekly time frame. Let's go ahead and see what the daily looks like. So daily did close bearish here yesterday, so pretty self-explanatory, right? You have a fake out going on right here. You're also back within the range below here now. Therefore, you should kind of make your way down towards 2330 if this candle decides to flip bearish. And, you know, you may kind of struggle here for a little bit, but once you break these lows, it should be a straight line down towards 2330 there on the daily. So I am bearish here based off of the daily closure. I did already take sells at 6 a.m. so I was already in sells, and I'm still looking for more sells here, right? So I closed partials. I'll show you where I did, but my runner got hit at B. Let me show you what I'm looking at here though. So 4-hour time frame. So okay, so daily's bearish, right? Expecting this daily candle to potentially flip, break its own low, and then drive down here today, tapping into support, looking something like that, right? So if that's what we're anticipating here for today, how can we plan that out? Well, the 4-hour is bearish as well. Looks like we've just created a top wick. You do have a wick to fill. That's going to be about a 36 pip range moving down at this point. 1 hour also is looking pretty good. So 1 hour just opened up 12 minutes ago. No top wick here though. So no top wick on this 1 hour candle just yet. 30-minute candles are pushing down as well. So this is pretty much what we got, right? You've got support here. You've got resistance right here. This support is the break, or really the closure below on the 4-hour. Now we're filling that wick at that point, right? So there was really no option for us here on this 1 hour candle just yet because you've got no top wick, right? So one of the things I was looking for was that top wick, but we did not get it. This is where I closed my other position. So I got into sells here, came down, closed partials at that 15-minute support. Price pushed back up, tapped me out at break even. I'm still holding it on my other account, but other than that, yeah, that was that one trade. And yeah, I would expect if this 4-hour wants to move down here, and we do want to push down here today on the daily, that once we break those daily lows, we're also breaking the 4-hour lows. We're also closing below a 1 hour / 30-minute support, and you should get a pretty good push at that point. So that's pretty much it for me. You know, there's not much happening right now for any new entries. You're kind of in this zone where things can get a little wicky and reject. There's no top wick on the 1 hour candle just yet. So I am just going to hang tight for now. If we can get any new price action, right? You've got this support here. I think if we can get a candle closure like back up around like 61, that would be great. This candle is going to close in about 50 seconds. The best option here would be a nice like pack runner. So if you can close somewhere around here, grab the pack, and then begin to drive down further, that would be fantastic here. But let's keep an eye out on this support here. You have a target down here, which is, you know, we're a little too far, right? We're a little too close to that target to take any new positions. If you have positions in already, then I'd be holding, right? That's where I'm holding from my other account here, and we'll see if we can get down there. So that's pretty much it right now. Yeah, as of what time is it? 7:14 a.m. So that's it. You know, price is kind of midway through this range. I believe there's about 13 pips here, so not good enough for me. There's 4 seconds left, so we're not going to pull back. If we would have pulled back, I would say, excuse me, like towards like here, then there would have been an opportunity, because we would have had a little bit more range to go now, right? We had like a 22 pip range there, so that's that. But that's pretty much the day here, gang. That's my day. That's what I'll look for. We'll see how we react towards 62 here, and then we'll take things from there. Cool. Should I let this thing run with no top wick, or should we close? We got 13 pips left. Okay, yeah. So let me finish this. My bad. So yeah. So I think let's kind of take into consideration 62 here. I think if you can get a you know, a nice little pushback up, resistance formed up here, then sells are pretty valid coming down. If not, then we could wait for closures below, around NY open at you know, below the support level here. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. We're a little too steep in this range now for any new trades. So that's kind of like what I'm feeling. Yeah, I closed it up. Closed it right there. All right, good work. Good work. And now we wait for the next trade. Yeah, let's close full right there.
Order filled.
Perfect. All right, cool. All right, full closure right here. 2361. All right. Yeah, so that's it, man. So we'll see if we can get a little bit of a retracement. I'm definitely looking for sells here today, so it should be good. Let's go fake out for sells. I am open to taking buys. My buys are going to be above 2364 here today. That would be us getting, you know, pulling all the way back here and then attempting to break that high there on the 4 hours. So I am open to buys, but we're going to need a closure above, or I'm going to need a closure above 64 there. And then you got decent range. You know, it's pretty wicky. That's why I definitely wasn't interested in buys here, because of this range. But if you kind of do something like this now and begin to like stall right here, come back, create support, get a closure above, I think buys are going to be valid. So buys above 64 here today. I'm going to look anything below 62 though. I'm going to continue looking for sells. So sells below, yeah, 30-minute time frame as well. Yeah, 30's a little tough. 30's a little tough. Yeah, ideally we want to see these candles pull back a little bit. Any sort of pullbacks up in this range, you could even maybe catch your pullback around here. We may come up and give this candle a top wick and then catch your more fake outs from there. So that's what I'm just gonna put that up here, fake out, and then buys above here. So I might have a couple extra lines on here today. My bad. All right, perfect. All right, sweet. We're good. Now let it cook. Let it cook. Order filled. Yeah, I'm testing out. So I'm testing out another account here now. So I got a $150,000 Top Step account. If we create support and then break the support, maybe we can go down. Yes, I believe so. Yep. Yeah, all we need is like a brand new like resistance here, right? So if we can create a support and then break it, you got like a celery play, and then that's your resistance, and then that's where there should lead to more sells from there. Yeah. Oh, okay, chat. So the competition is on. So the link is available. It's gonna be. It's in the announcements section on Discord. You can go there. You can go sign up for a free 100K challenge account. Don't take a trade on it until Monday, right? Unfortunately, if you take a trade on it before Monday, you're gonna breach your account. It's gonna disqualify you, right? So don't do it, right? Don't do it. Wait for Monday. Once Monday comes around, that's when the game begins. So Sunday night, right? Market open next week is when you guys will begin to compete to get a running into the challenge or into the tournament. So yeah, link is out. I'll post it here. We'll get Nightbot to share it and stuff too. But yeah, everything is good to go on the link. So, and by the way, anyone who signs up through that link for that free challenge, you'll also get another 50% discount on any like challenge you buy moving forward. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Alfonso? What's good? What's good? Bedge, who are you, bro? Who are you, man? What up, Big Smoke? Big Smoke in the house. Yeah. It's all match trader. It's all gonna be all match trader on the challenge, on the tournament. Yep. TK's in the house. What up, TK? What's good, man? What's good? Maybe we can get Nightbot to pop up the link for the tournament. The tournament. So, by the way, gang. So, the winners of the tournament, right? So, as many of you guys want can try out. It's going to be an open tryout. Tryouts are going to go from Monday next week to Friday. And then the top 32 contestants within all those people who come into the tryout will advance into the tournament. So that's how that's going to work. Yeah, the winners are going to get a $200,000 account, $100,000 account, and $25,000, $25,000. So we're gonna do 4 prizes for the top 4. So if you make it into the final 4, you're gonna get a prize regardless. Top dog though is gonna get a $200K, and the second runner up is gonna get $100K. And those, I promise you, are life-changing accounts, right? So whoever does win has the skill set. Right, and that's what we want. We want to reward people with the skill set so that they could actually go out and make a difference in their life. When will we receive 50% discount code? That you'll receive on any of your next purchases through the Time to Eat trading link. Where's the link? Link's in Discord in the announcements section. Yeah, we'll get the link on YouTube here in a minute. Yeah. Tell us about the forex mindset. What would you like to know? What would you like to know? Let's grab it. The skills and winning attitude you need for more profitable forex trading. Yep. Great book. So many highlights in this book. competition starts next week. Yup, next week, Monday. Give the account on weekends. Yeah, so basically if you take a trade between now and Monday, your account's gonna it's gonna get a flag, so it's gonna get breached, and then that's just gonna automatically disqualify you. So just don't take a trade till Monday. Oh, look at this. Pushing more, pushing more. Yeah, nice top wick there. Yeah, we're too low for any new entries. My entry was way up here. So we're too low. I'm too low for any new entries, so just gonna hang tight there. Yeah. You could so when you guys want your 50% discount, you can purchase that anytime. Yeah, so it could even be like a month after the whole tournament. The competition is limited, right? And so the open tryout is not. So you guys can get a account from that link and enter into the open tryout, but the tournament is limited to 32 teams or 32 players. So yeah, so the top 32, however many people sign up for the tournament, let's just say it's 100 for simple math, right? Let's say it's 100, only 32 are going to make it. So the top 32 are going to move on. Yeah. Yeah, Bedge, I would just message support. I mean, they're very good in their support. They'll figure out your issue like right away. So if you haven't tried hitting up their support yet, just hit up their support, man. They'll take care of you. Just tell them you're with TTE, bro. I don't know if you are with us or not, but just let them know you're with TTE and this is happening, and they'll take care of you. Nick, bless you. Can you check my question? I'm curious to know what you think of it. Yeah, just send it again. I don't know if you sent it already, but if you haven't, send it again and I'll answer. Oh man. Yeah, the trade last night. Yeah, trade taken last night was over here. That was what was that? 10 p.m. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, that was right here. So price had pushed up, right? Like you can tell that buyers had been activated in this candle, right? Then we drove down super aggressively for no reason at all here, right? Started breaking lows. And once we came into the zone here, that's typically now where price is going to pull back up, right? It's a random aggressive push down, right? There was nothing that should have really caused that to happen. So what I did was, as price pushed down, I took a buy as we were coming back up, towards the wicks there, keeping a super tight stop loss. And yeah, this was the trade. I basically closed partials, right? Actually, I closed full right here and went to bed. Yeah, it was like 28 pips or something. So yeah, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. It was it's one of the entries I'm working on there with the fade. So yeah, it actually worked out good this time. It's a bit of a very aggressive entry, but the thing is, you'll have a very tight stop loss. So for those of you guys that are risking like fixed lots, you're gonna love this. Like, just let me cook on this a little bit more and like collect data a little bit, and you'll see me do it on the stream here and there too. But yeah, that was kind of the entry I took there, and just caught this move back up. That was it. I was expecting price to come back into the range. Yeah, random move down here, right? So I was expecting that to get corrected, come back in the range, and that's where I closed everything. Yeah, it was a good move. It was a good move. What are your thoughts on liquidity and anticipating liquidity on the daily and 4-hour time frame? Or you reckon this is enough? Yeah, I mean this is enough, right? So can you do more? Of course. Like, but I've gotten, so my idea of liquidity has developed over the years, and you know, in the beginning of my journey, especially trading this system, I was the liquidity oftentimes. So I know now where that's at. Like, just like earlier, like there was these, or last night, these buyers were activated. Like the fade has a lot to do with liquidity in a way, right? Because you want that, there's a reason I'm like, hey, we're gonna wait for this and wait for that, and then when that happens, then we'll do this, because excuse me, that's that liquidity being grabbed. So those are those fake outs, those are those random moves down. Those are when we're tapping into target, right? Let's just say we've tapped into target right here, boom, and then we kind of fail to do that again, so we flip down and but we don't go anywhere, right? We kind of just tap in. That's more liquidity right there. So I know that what's happening is sellers are getting activated right there, right? And then their stops are definitely not being kept up here, right? So they're very tight stops, and then that's your liquidity right there when we look at the fade. Because if this candle already tapped target, well, and then this one comes down and breaks its high, why would it turn back around and tap a target that's already been tapped, right? So that's my idea right now of liquidity, and you know, watching it go. And that's why understanding, and we talk about this a lot in the elite program, is understanding the I don't want to call them loser, right? But the losing trader, right? And the losing trader's mindset. When you understand that, you can begin to understand liquidity alone, right? So understanding how the newbie, the novice, right? The unprofitable, the losing trader thinks and acts, that's where you can spot liquidity in the markets. And you know, it's almost like taking candy from a baby, right? We're like, all right, let it wick down, let sellers get activated, then we'll, you know, set buy stops. So it works, you know, it works well. So I think there's all different ideas of liquidity and depending on how you're trading, but that's the way I'm currently using it for my trading, right? I also know that there could be like liquidity that on like a new 4-hour, right? Things will look really good. Let's say the 4-hour is bearish, things will look really good to move up, and then next thing you know, price fakes out, right? And then all these buyers now were the liquidity, right? These buyers here, and then price drives down. So that's the way I use it in my trading. Other traders will use it differently depending on their style, but that's currently how I like to use it. And anytime you see these like fake outs, you know, buyers have been grabbed or orders have been grabbed, and now they're going to push price down. So yeah, I use ranges for it too. Like I use ranges to spot it. At the beginning, I was liquidity. Yep. Yeah, and still am. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, you're always still gonna be that. You know, you're never gonna beat it. Is what I can say too. Like I'll still be liquidity here and there. Just it is what it is, right? Can't win them all, but we try our best to, you know, with range 1, range 2 breakouts, and we try our best to avoid those fake outs and avoid being the liquidity. But at the end of the day, it's still, you'll never dodge it completely. Yeah, the competition's gonna begin. So, you know what? If you guys want, you guys can start now. So you guys can start when you get your accounts. Let me just do something here to make sure it's activated. And then whoever has the highest percentage by next week, which is the 16th, we'll do Monday. So you have the rest of the week here. to basically trade, and whoever's the top 32 by the 15th, which is Monday, you guys will be the players in the game. Cool. So now there's no more confusion. Just go ahead and start. Please choose a book, one book behind you, and recommend us to read it, and I will directly order it. Trading or non-trading? What do you think? I'll give you one trading and one non-trading. We can start here with you. Yeah, you guys can take my trades, your trades, his trades, her trades, whoever's trades you want. But you gotta live with the result. So the idea is for you to trade your game and do the best you can do, and then see where that gets you. Can you swing on the account? You can trade any way you like. Any way, anything is on bet. Like anything is on. So however you trade, however you get the best results out of the markets, that's what we want you to do. And then we will see, you know, where you fall. The only thing is there will be a max daily drawdown of 5%, and then there will be a max drawdown of 10% overall. So don't breach it, don't break those rules, and anything other than that, you are good to go. Daily targets? Oh man, daily's got targets here today. I mean, ideally you want to see if you can get through these wicks first. So I think the first daily target is really that wick fill, which is about 73 pips away. Yeah, depending on like where you got entries, like had I still been holding my like original position, if you caught it like a little earlier, then you could have been, yeah, you could be, that's like 100 and something pip range. But from this level here, it'll probably be about like a 70 pip range. Nice. 4 hour doing exactly what we want to see it do. 1 hour really driving here though with no top wick. Nothing at all. A trading book, The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. Yeah, you guys can start trading now. Yeah. Sorry for the question again. Nah, you're good, man. You're good. Yeah, you guys can take trades now. We'll so take trades all week, and then we'll look at everyone's results next week, and then we'll have the top 32. You can start the challenge right now. 2 minutes ago. Oh, nice. Yeah, straight down. Perfect. Lovely, lovely. All right, target has been tapped here, so we'll see where we could go from here. If we're gonna pull back from here, we got NY open in 20 minutes. So let's relax here. The only way that we really shoot to go against this is if we get another tap on this level here. So if this candle pulls back and then the next one taps it again, and you start doing things like this, then you can have buys on the break of the high. But we gotta wait. There's a few steps that need to take place. I got places to be. On your mark, get set, go! Everyone, trade, trade, trade! Let me just tell Bryce, let me just tell the guys at top one that don't disqualify anyone. All right, cool. Yeah, good sells here, gang. Good sells here. Anyone who caught that with me? Anybody? Hakuna Matata. Got tapped on B. Yeah, I got tapped. So my one account I closed partials here. Got tapped at B. The other one I just held it. I kept my stops above the highs here, and yeah, it worked out good. I closed at 60. Oh, nice, Xander. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, the forex mindset, and then I would say like the slight edge, man. That's a simple read, and it can really put it into your brain that you can do it. That success isn't this big fairy tale that most people think it is. It's not this massive action that you have to take 1 or 2 times. It don't work like that. It's small, little, insignificant things done on a day-to-day basis that don't seem like they're making the biggest difference while you're doing them, but over time yield the positive result. So I would highly recommend reading The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. That book right there made me believe that I can really be successful, that successful wasn't some big thing. It was just little things done day in and day out. So I would recommend The Slight Edge. How do you get out of that zone and not be liquidity? Timing. Timing is huge, because I bet you during NFP, I bet my bottom dollar, man, that a lot of traders got stopped trying to catch the fade and, you know, trying to get these sells in and all that good stuff. So timing is everything, and understand that when gold is rallying, don't bet against gold. Right, when gold is rallying in a certain direction, it's just best to try and find an entry with that and just avoid the fade, because chances are the fade will not be fading that day. So we see gold when gold rallies, you don't want to touch it, right? You know how many times probably people try calling sells here, this day, and same thing, trying to call buys, trying to call the bottom. So when gold rallies, just don't mess with it. You know, just try and find positions in that direction. If you can't, you know, it is what it is. Just don't trade that day. But yeah, sometimes it's really about timing. You know, there's no way to 100% stay out of that zone either. So, you know, the one thing with the fade, and you'll see me like probably take a few more losses than normal, because as I'm learning this over the year, I'm going to be early, right? We're going to be early some days. So like some trades, like we're not going to time it right. We're going to go based off of times that we know work, but sometimes that's going to be too early, and that's okay, because everything we're doing now, if you can kind of fix this in your mind, right? Those of you guys who attend this session and attend this class every day, fix it in your mind that everything we're doing here right now is going to benefit us next year, right? So March, April, May, June, July next year, we're going to have so much more knowledge, right, on the plays and the markets and the timing and the liquidity and the ranges, and right, we're only getting better. The markets are going to continue to do the same thing. The cool part about it is we're just getting better, right? We're getting better at watching the market do that same thing over and over. So, you know, don't worry about if you're slipping up and messing up and you're early on the fade or you're late on the fade or whatever, right? It's a new setup. You want to expect to make mistakes, expect to take some losses, and that's okay, right? Because everything we're doing and everything we're going to learn and all the mistakes that we're going to make are going to benefit us come next year, right? So that's the big idea is, you know, if you can really get yourself away from that instant gratification and focus more towards on the long-term perspective of your trading career, then you're going to do a lot better in the here and now, especially with your psychology, because you know that you're preparing for a profitable next year, if that makes sense. All right, does that make sense? So we may do some learning, you know, learning and failing or mistakes, they're all the same word. What's up, Mark? Marky Mark. Marky Mark. Yeah, challenge is good to go. Yeah, so if you guys click the link, get your account. It's a free 100K account. Trade your best on it till Monday, and we'll see who's going to be in the top 32. Everyone who does get an account and signs up for the free one, you'll also get 50% discount on any like challenge that you buy from top one moving forward too. Yeah, these cells worked out perfectly. So 15 close with no bottom wick, right? 30 minutes still open. There's 13 minutes left. We have NY open coming up here in just a few. So I'm just gonna wait on that and go from there. Dudes are already taking trades on the challenge. Hey, don't go too crazy, bro. Don't go too crazy. Remember, you gotta get within the top 32. So trade to the best of your ability. Mike the snipe. Mike the sniper. Yeah, so the link will pop in and out via Nightbot, and then if you go to the announcements section in the Discord, that's where the link will be. Look, announcement section, Discord, right? Where is it? Right here. Announcements. The webinar link is up too for those of you guys who haven't been back since last week. We're doing a 2-day technical analysis webinar. We're going to talk all about the new things that we've been learning here over the past 4 or 5 months. It's going to be very, very in-depth and very detailed. That link is up, and then you also have this top one. So look, first place takes home 200K account, second 100K, third 25, fourth 25. So you can enter in, and then the top 32, right? The top 32 traders will enter the tournament, which will begin Monday. And I'm going to make this, what's Monday's date? I think Monday's the 15th, right? Yeah. So they'll begin Monday the 15th, man. My bad about the dates. Edit. Wait, edit. Yeah, do that. So you guys can trade all week long here. All week long, and then you'll get a call, man. You're either gonna get a call to clean out the locker, or you're gonna get a call to get a new one. All right, cool. Yeah, so closing no bottom wick there. So pretty obvious here, right? That price is probably going to begin to move up. 30-minute candle still open. If you get the 15 close back above the range, there may be an opportunity come NY open to look for some potential buys coming back up towards You know, I would say like 62, even 63 here, and then that's where I'm getting out, and I'm going to look for, you know, more sells here today. What up, 11th hour? Yep. Yeah, all these accounts are free. They're all free. Freebie. Yeah, look at that. Nice push up here. Good morning, Green. How you doing, buddy? I can't log into the Match Trader platform. Can anybody help? Yeah, just message their support. Their support will help you out. Their support will be able to help you faster and quicker than anyone on the live stream here. They're quick with it too. What time is it? They're probably open now. I don't know. I don't know what time they open. And no, you can't get a new one. When do you go BE? Because when I'm setting BE, it touches my BE and continues driving up or down. Yeah, sometimes that's going to happen. Like today, I took a trade. So today I took a trade right here. Right? So I entered a sell. And my goal was to get down here, and my stops are here. And I seen that there was a 15-minute support here. So I can't really ignore that, right? So once price got down there, I closed some partials and went break even. And guess what happened? Price came back up, tapped me at BE. So it's just part of the game. You know, sometimes it's going to run. Sometimes it's not. And that's just how it goes pretty much. Yeah, but you want to look for areas like this or areas like this, right? To go break even or to close partials when you're in your trades. Yeah, and sometimes you'll survive it. Sometimes you won't. Can we still trade on the 100K account after you choose the top 32 if we don't make it? Yes. Is there any signal? No. I entered the challenge. Wish me luck. Good luck, my friend. Good luck to everyone. Which concept you trade? I trade I don't know. What do we trade here, chat? Which concept do we trade? Can you check charts for stream? Yes. Let's take a look. Yo. Where's Buddha? C Melly? I didn't see C Melly here today yet. Is he here already? That's the exact trade I got B on. Well, there you go, Alex. I got break even too there, man. So you see, good trade. You can't really avoid it. You know, sometimes it's just gonna come up and hit you. A lot of times that's when a very strong support is coming in, right? Like, so if there's a support there, like the 30-minute, you didn't see that support, right? You just see, you know, whatever price looking regular. But on the 15, that support is there. So I can't ignore that. Especially like pre-New York. So yeah, that's kind of what happened to me too. No biggie, no biggie. My other account, I just let it run and I closed right there at 2360. There he is, C Melly. Hey, C Melly, if you can message me on Discord so I can not forget to hit you up today. What up, Gregski? I just need third place, man. Come on. Come on. You need first place, brother. First place. Open tryouts will begin today. We just switched it up. Yeah. So we're going to begin today. Sorry about that. Because the email says one thing, and yeah, this one's sloppy. Hey, with your first thing, right? You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So this is the first one. So we ran into a couple hiccups here, but it's okay. Yeah, you guys can start trading those accounts right now. Who's getting first place? That's what I want to know. Who's taking my money? I gotta buy y'all a 200K account. First place winner. Who's taking it? Y'all gonna take my money like that? Damn. Do you have any advice how to clear a troubled mind? Yes. So first thing I always do is go to prayer, right? Before anything. But even if like even if my bone in my foot hurts or if my elbow hurts, the first thing I'm doing is running to prayer, right? Anything troubling my mind, the word says we could leave that at the foot of the cross, right? So I want to leave those burdens on someone who's willing to take them, right? And I want to flush them, right? So what I like to do, and something that helped me a couple of years back, was you get into like, I don't want to call it like a meditative state or a prayer state, but just kind of chill out for a second and clear your mind, right? And pretend that all those things that are up in your mind, grab the image of like a wet grocery bag, right? Like a wet paper bag. And just imagine all of those things in prayer falling out of that bag, right? Everything that you're carrying, everything that's burdening you, everything that's troubling your mind, right? Just imagine it all falling out of that bag. One of Rafi's deep breaths. And then begin to pick things up and look at how grateful you are, what you're grateful for in life, and what you have to look forward to, and all the positive things around you. You know, there was a story in the Bible where the disciples, Jesus said, hey, I'll meet you over on the other side of the lake, right? And what Jesus did was he said, I'm going to go up to the mountain and pray. And during that time, there was a massive storm on the water, right? And the disciples were like, oh my God, what's going on? And blah, blah, blah. And then Jesus came, and a little bit before that, right? So before they set off into the lake, they had just fed like 5,000 people in a complete miracle, right? And they had extra bread in their boat. And they were worried about the storm, right? When they know that they're connected to a miracle worker, right? And the proof was already in the pudding. The proof was sitting in the boat. The bread was in the boat. So the point is, a lot of times we look at the storm in life. We look at what's troublesome, what's troubling us, but we don't understand the blessings that have already taken place, right? We're not even looking at the bread in the boat that we already have. So that could be your family, that could be your job, that could be your whatever it is in life, right? Whatever you're grateful for and whatever you feel like God has already done for you, think about those things, right? And then when you realize that, you know, those thoughts aren't so troublesome after all. Yep. So fill your mind with gratitude and the blessings that you already have. Count the bread in your boat. Right? The bread is already in your boat. Just gotta see it. Right? Because if I'm a disciple, I'm going, dude, I know the storm is crazy, but I mean, this guy just fed 5,000 people with nothing. Right? The bread is sitting in the boat, boys. Like, let's not be worried here, right? Let's not be worried. So Bible says, don't worry about anything. Pray about everything with gratitude and thanksgiving, and you can let your request known to the Lord. Yedick. All right, let's see here. So I hope that helps, bro. Yeah, I hope that helps. All right, so we did get a 15 closure. We got a 1 hour closure, 30-minute closure, all that good stuff. 30 closed nasty here. So not the greatest closure on the 30-minute time frame. 15's bullish though. And 1 hour is bearish. So I'm going to let NY open just pop off real quick and open up. And then I'm going to see if I can get some positions in the next like 5 to 15 minutes. Yeah. You're welcome, Norbin. You're welcome, man. You were trading a 400K account at the start of the year. What happened to it? That account, that was with TFT. So that one, I don't know. TFT just like broke down or something. So I never got any. I had 2 400K accounts. I never got any of them back. How you doing? They just said nobody knows nothing. What up, Rafi? Rafi. Morning, brother. All y'all got positions open right now, man. Competition on. Yeah, they send me emails too. I don't even open them anymore. I just delete them. Yeah, don't worry, man. Don't worry. We're coming back. Just give us a little more time. Blah, 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 blah. I honestly, I like basically forgot about that account. Both of them. So look, so targets have been tapped here, right? So the idea is you need a top wick and then break the low, right? And then that can maybe give us an opportunity to catch price on the way back up if we re-break the high there. But nothing for me just yet. Just gonna wait a few minutes here. J4 trades in the house. What up, Zoomers? Where's Johnny? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, this actually looking pretty good here, man. We broke that 4-hour low. Daily's still pretty bearish here. Where's Joey? Joey should be here too. Joey's probably on in the chat. Joey's in the chat. Joe, are you in the chat? Joker. Yeah, you also have this range over here, right, that you didn't close above. So I'm gonna move my ranges a little bit here. I'm gonna continue looking for fake outs though. when it comes to taking more sells, right? We've got a new support there, and this is like a 30 pip range here. So yeah, we're gonna pay attention. I'm not interested in these buys too much. We're just too bearish right now on the full. We already broke the lows there. The daily's still pretty bearish, so I'm not gonna take these buys here. Gonna wait for, if this 15 can close weak or bearish, it would be great. Like even if we could do something like this on the 15, right here, pump up a little bit, leave this wick to fill, and then not fill it, right? Attempt to fill it and then re-break the lows there, and then that's where we could potentially continue down with the higher time frame bias. Get like a fake out around 8:15, 8:30. We're just too bearish right now to take buys. 1 hour is very bear here too. Where's Rosenbuds? I've seen Rosenbuds out here before talking about 9.2% up. Let's go. Let's go. Good stuff, Rosenbuds. Way to take advantage of the opportunity. Good morning, Jesus loves you. Yeah, good morning, and Nick Stewart loves you too. Right, Green? Impulse entry? Nah. Yeah, is Rosenbuds here? I think I seen them here earlier. Dropout Trader, how you feeling, man? I reckon I've That's awesome. Centuries, W. I have no idea how to trade in Match Trader. Yeah, you gotta... I haven't used Match Trader, so... Where's my brother Joe? Maybe he can help you out with that. Joe's running too, man. Joe's up like 5% on phase 1 with top 1. Yeah, we know we have volume coming in here, especially like in 7 minutes at 8:15. So very curious to see how we react here to 60, and then from there we can decide, do we want to potentially keep selling off here and take advantage of this 1 hour move down, being that the daily and stuff still has room to go, or do we want to say, hey, well, we tap target on the 4 hour, we tap target on the 1 hour. Right now we're just too bearish for me to take this buy here. So it just doesn't make enough sense yet. Is the max lot size on a 100K account with top 1 5 lots? It might be. It might be. But whatever the rules are, those are the rules for everybody. So don't think, someone else is going to be able to do it on a 10 lot. And maybe you could only do it on a 1 lot. Everyone got the same rules. Joey's creeping on Crumble. Yo, Joey's about to buy a Crumble franchise. He's about to be a franchise owner. How can I copy trade between MT5 and MT4? I have no idea. I think you can maybe use Traders Connect. Traders Connect maybe? Or what's the other one? Social Trader. Yeah, try using Traders Connect. There's a link for it. Maybe somebody can... Yeah, there it is. TK popped it up. Alright, yeah, let's see how we close here. We got a few minutes till this closure. And we may be able to make our way back down to the bottom of the range, and then even further, right? Because if the 4-hour wants to re-break the low, then you'll get a push. You'll get a nice push here. Spreads and slippage, they've been pretty good on top one. I haven't really experienced too much of a issue. Yeah, so tryouts start this week. The competition starts next week. So as many, if honestly, whoever's here, how many people are here? Like, if you want, you could just sign up for the heck of it. You got, what, 13, hey, 13, 13, 13, 13, but I don't see 500 here. If you guys can like the stream, that'd be fantastic here today, all you 13 of you. But look, all 13 of you can go get 50% off top one right now, just for the heck of it, just to keep it in your back pocket, even if you're not going to use it or not going to use it right now. Just take advantage of it, right? I mean, I would. Right, just sign up, get a free account, and anytime you want, you'll be able to revisit their site and get a 50%, you know, discount. You never know when you're going to need that, right? You never know when you're going to need it. So, Traders Connect, yeah, I've used both Traders Connect and Social Trader. They're both pretty good. I think I like the Connect one better. Yeah. Yeah, see, so buys aren't good just yet here because the 1 hour is still very bare here. What up, Lights Fire? For the heck of it, man. Stuff it in your back pocket. The 50% won't expire. Nah, that's what I mean. So you can literally use that like whenever you want. Like just store it away for a rainy day. The link is out. Yeah, I think you got to hit, what is it? Exclamation point. Oh yeah, look. So the sellers have been activated here now on these sells. So if you start breaking that high, this is where you could potentially move up. There's 2 minutes left though. So I'm going to wait on the 15 candle here. Yeah, might as well just get an account. How you doing? You never know. There's no code. Just I don't know what it is. What's the command? Exclamation point what? TO? Tournament? TO? Is that what it is? I don't know. What is it, guys? Yeah, NY open, man. I don't like 8 to 8:15. It's always a really undecided candle here. How do you sign up again? Right there. Join the competition. Boom. Nightbot. Exclamation point comp. As in competition. Comp as in competition. You can't win on this account. So, by the way, you can't win anything. Well, you can. You can win an opportunity to get into the tournament. That's it. Come on, man. We explained all the rules last week. John Stewart's in the house. What up, John?
Yo, good morning, brother. What's poppin'?
Everything, man.
Everything.
How you doing?
Chilling. How you doing?
Good. 15 closure coming up.
Yes, sir.
We're closing Doji.
5 seconds.
Doji. 2 dojis in a roji. Oh, we did close above here. I got places to be. Let's take a look here. So we did close above on the 15-minute time frame. This may be where that fake out comes into play though. So that's what I want to wait for here. I'm not going to go against like this higher bearish idea right now. I don't think it's time yet for that for the fade really. So yeah, let's see how this candle does here, and then may have sells here at 8:30. Yeah, we're probably blowing up Top One's entire like website right now, so I don't know if they're gonna be able to handle the traffic. Give them some time. The drawdown is yeah, the drawdown is $5,000, so 5%. Johnny Gems, how we doing today, bro?
Yo, yo. Doing great, brother. Great for another day. Feeling blessed and highly
Nice.
favored.
Nice.
How you doing?
Same, man. Same. Doing really good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. What's good, chat? Goody. It's good to be back. Good to be here.
He's back.
I'm hyped. Another day to follow our plan with patience and discipline. Let's run this thing, y'all.
Run it. Alright, so 30 still just whatever. 15 still whatever. 1 hour is trying to move down here.
Good morning, C. Melly.
How's the weather, John? 30, 80 here.
The weather's pretty good here, 77. So I think it's gonna be pretty humid down here. We're like pretty much the same, I would think.
Today?
Yes, sir. What's the gem of the day? The gem of the day is that our thoughts create our reality.
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing?
So what are you thinking?
That's deep.
Or are you thinking?
Sir.
Oh yeah, let's see if we can.
You're staying out, right? Waiting for sales.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay out right now. We'll see how the 15-minute candle closes.
I feel that looks like that wants to bleed.
Yeah.
Even though I know the.
Thank you, Zach.
The
Yeah, like I have reasons to definitely believe we could pull up. I mean, we're 4 hour tapping into support. You've also got this range over here that we're moving into as well. The daily is, you know, I like the daily moving down here today, filling the wick. But the 4 hour tap support, the 1 hour tap support, 30-minute kind of pull, you know, rejected from that area. 15-minute closed above, but I'm still gonna wait. Still gonna wait. There's mixed emotions out here on the charts. WPM Magnifico.
What's good,
Where's
PM?
Jaguar? Damn, yeah, where's Jaguar, man?
Facts.
I missed that dude. Let's see here. It still want payment with the no. No. Just click. Make sure you click the link. There will be no payment or anything like that.
Good morning, Wags. What's up, brother?
If I fail to get into the 32, how much will it cost me? It'll whatever. If you want to buy an account, like get an actual valuation, whatever the normal price is, you'll get half off.
50%. That's a great deal too, by the way. I would be hopping on that.
There's Jaguar. What's goody, my boy?
Jaguar.
Jaguar, you want to come up on Zoom, bro? He's coming back strong, baby. Let's go.
I'm up here, bro.
Pull up on Zoom. How you doing? Nobody knows nothing.
Oh, no, nothing.
Where's the link? Type in !comp, as in competition. Problem with account? All right, we'll see you soon, brother. We'll see you soon. Louis
Hey,
G
Louis
in the
G.
house. Hey, bro, how you doing, man? Wild storm, huh? You guys
Oh, yeah, my man
still
lives in Texas.
you guys still getting hit over there? I hope Jaguar becomes a true TT member. I think he is. I like Jaguar, man.
I am lost power. How long have you had no power for? Crazy.
Since like yesterday, I think. This is fine because now we have another like no trade zone, right? So if we look at price now, we can say, okay, well, the 4 hour, what is it doing, right? So we're very bearish here on the 4 hour. We noticed that yesterday when we came into this zone, we stopped, right? So we came into this overall zone and we planted a support, right? Then we began to move back up, and what did we do? We've created a resistance here. So if we're creating a new resistance, if we can get past this support at 56, right, and get an actual bearish on the 4 hour bearish closure, that should bring us down, right? That should begin to take us down. You've got super clean range all the way down towards 32 at that point. So, you know, you can see the 4 hour continue down like that, and basically all you would have there is just simply, you know, price kind of made a high here, made a low, made a lower high, and continues driving down. So we'll see if that's going to go down here today. But the 4 hour is looking pretty good. Just keep in mind we are running into, you know, all this, right? So I'm open to buys and sells today because of that, right? So we can kind of say the 4 hour has tapped target, but being that the daily candle is just getting ready to move down, that's where I'm saying, okay, well, the fade may not be ready yet. We may still want to continue down here today. So 4 hour is still very bearish. The 1 hour has tapped into its own target as well, which is this support level here, right? And then below there is what you got, that mess, right? That's the mess on the 4 hour chart here. So below that is what is this? 34 pip range. So 34 pip range below there. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. We got a support here that we keep boom, 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 right? Came down, boom, boom, right? We keep hitting it. 15-minute as well, and this is basically like our new range. So like that's the current range that we're sitting in now. Yeah, and it's tough. You know, you may get sells below here, but it's tough below here, right? There's a bit of some confusion going on, but it is a pretty clean like 28 pip range there. So we'll see where we fall. That's kind of like the next area in which I'll look to target. And then again, buys are decent, right? If we close back above 60 there. Yeah. 30-minute fill in that range again. So that's our second attempt now. So the 4 hours tap target, right? We've tapped it on the 1 hour, and now this is our the 30 minute, and then now we're tapping it again on another 30 candle. So this is a very important zone here, right here.
I dig it.
Yeah, good, nice little move down here though, especially off the 1 hour. So sells are a little tough, just because you're a little choppy here. That's why I really wanted to see fake outs earlier, but doesn't look like we're gonna get them. So you really want to see a closure below here. Daily candles flipping bear, breaking its own low now.
Minute closure in 5 minutes.
Yeah, it looked good off the 1 hour. 1 hour gave a good look to it. 30 was sketchy. Could it be a fake out? It could be. You know, now that, again, we're tapping targets here, this is where you could potentially begin to pull up. So we'll see. Timing. Remember, timing on these fades is like everything. I could trade on trading bait now. Oh, nice. $12 subscription. Yeah, I think I paid $12 for both, like trade the data and to have it hooked up to TradingView. I think combined the bill is like $12. What up, Pip Lord?
Pip Lord, I like that name.
All right. Does no wick on the 15 have an impact? Yes. If this candle closed with no wick at the bottom, then that could mean, remember what happened when this candle closed with no wick? The next one drove up, so same thing could happen here. Yeah, we may be able to get some sort of a fake out here too, so we'll see. Running low on excess.
Oh yeah.
Running low. We're just gonna cut it.
Gonna have to call the plug, bro.
The plug has been called.
Need that ASAP.
Yeah. Pablo, what's up, brother? Man, Pablo, you've been with us for quite some time too, dude. Like, so I looked back at an old stream. I'm talking like a old stream, like one of the first streams, and my man Pablo was in there talking about, "Hey, what's up? I'm coming at you from the greatest place on earth."
Yes.
I was like, "Damn."
And
Pablo's the real one.
Yeah, shout out Pablo.
Pablo. Two B's on the month? Yeah, 2 B's. Oh, look at this. Are we not going to close? All right, no closure below. Interesting here. Okay, cool. So now there may be an opportunity for the fade, but we've got to push down first. So we've got to make a bit of a wick and then push down. All right, cool. Yeah, this is where we may get the retracement here. So I'm going to have a buy stop on the break of that high there for price to potentially continue up. This is our third or fourth tap here at that target. Stops will be kept below the lows. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, looks like a high chance to jump up.
Yeah, so it's our, how many taps now? So one, two, this is our third tap down in the zone. If you break the high, you probably fake out and come back into the range here. Yeah, my stop's going to be kept below the lows here, but below that 1 hour wick and that previous 30 wick fill. We've got, yeah, that's true. We've got no top wick on the 1 hour candle here. So we may come up, if we break those highs, you should see a straight push up to 63 there.
The idea is like for the 4 hour to bounce off that support.
The idea here is, can we get this 4 hour candle to pull back now? Yeah. So there's about 30 minutes left on the 4 hour. Let me
order filled.
Fill that one there too. And then, yeah, that's the trade. That is the trade. So got into some buys here, expecting a potential fake out back into the range. Looking to target these highs up here at like 65. And let's see what we can get. We got, I would say, you can go break even around 14 pips. Partials around 26 pips. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm just going to hang on till about 23.60 here, expecting that maybe this candle will continue up and, you know, push back up to the top of the range. Is the Time to Eat competition live? Yes. So you guys can join the, just put !comp, and you guys can join the competition here. Yeah. Yeah, just start trading. Start trading when you get your account too. Yeah, whoever is the top dog or the top 32 by Monday or Tuesday, yeah, by Monday next week, those are the ones that are going to advance.
Oh yeah, the comp started, right?
The comp has begun.
Got it. Good luck,
the competition has begun.
Is that the fake moon landing?
That it is. That it is. I don't think the 15 has a wick either, right? Yeah, there's no top wick on that 15, so that'll be like my first target there. Can I join the competition for free, sir? Yes. Everything's free. The only guy paying out of everyone is me. What's the setup called? This is the fade. We're taking the fade. We're going in on the fade here.
Fading away. We at the barber getting that fade right now.
The link shouldn't say 625. If anything, I don't know, like exit out, try it again. Everyone else seems to be getting in for free. Whatever you do, don't pay anything. So if it says 6 whatever, don't pay anything. Just close it down and retry it. Yeah, the promo code broke. That's what happened, I guess. Yeah. My link says 600. Yo, don't pay it. Pay the fee. Okay, cool. Yeah, TK's gonna work on it, and it should be good. If it's saying you have to pay something, you don't have to pay anything. So just give it a sec. Pay the fee. If you fade the fade, you sell. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Let me add my, I have to add the position to this one too. Hold on.
Order filled.
All right, perfect. All right, sweet. Let's see. Nah, you don't have to pay anything. Besides Bitcoin. Pay with your BTC. Yo, that order filled? Yeah, that's like magic keys, man. I'll have to turn that off. What's the promo code? I don't think there is a promo code, right? I don't think there is one. I go in the opposite direction of market sometimes. Sometimes. Oh, TTE comp. Okay, so type in, the code is going to be TTE comp. Type that in. There you go. Yeah, we'll have all that sorted out. This is our first time doing this, so forgive us for the hiccups. Thank you, Pip Lord. How come you're going to buy on a breakout? There is no breakout here, right? This candle closed back in the range. So I'm expecting that if we don't fill the wick and then we re-break the high, then you should go up. Right? That's the fade. We've attempted this about 36 times. We've won 33 of them. So all I'm doing here is collecting data on these trades. Collecting some data. So that's what I'm doing here today in front of you, collecting data. Some you're gonna win, some you're gonna lose. There's gonna be a bunch where we're probably a little too early, right? That could happen too when you're trading the fade. But remember, everything we're doing here is to build us so that way when we go into next year, we have a really good read on when this works, when it doesn't, when the timing is right, when the timing's not right. So everything is a learning process, you know, from here till, you know, next year.
Thanks, bro. Always a student again.
What books have helped me in psychology? Think and Grow Rich, Magic of Thinking Big. Those have all been very good books. All right, I'm out on this account. So, oh yeah, am I out on this one? Yeah, I think I'm out here. Yeah. So yeah, too early on it this time. Maybe we're gonna come down into like 56 here, right? Maybe that's where we can start to push up from 56. But my stops have been tapped. Tapped. YOLO Trader in the house. What up, YOLO Trader?
No trader.
I still think it closed under support. It depends which support you're looking at, right? So there's two supports here. There's one right here, right? And then there's another one right here. So it definitely closed below this support, but this guy, no bueno. All right, let's mark that up. Kingman. Kingman's crying. It's all right, buddy. We'll get it back. We're like the casino. Let me see here. That was what time do we take that? Around 8:15 or 8:30? 8:30. All right, cool. All right, yeah. So we may pop from 56 here instead of actually whatever this is, 58. So we'll see. We'll see how we do here. I'm not going to enter another position yet until the candle closes now. So unless that candle closes bull, I'm not going to enter another buy just yet. I have my stops a little lower. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, a little lower would have helped. One pip from stop loss. Hey, sometimes it's your lucky day, man.
That's crazy.
Is there any way to get your trading journal? Yes. Just hit a exclamation point journal. You can get it. Yep. Still in the trade? Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah. So the next good sign, right, is going to be a closure. And if that candle can close above, that's going to be beautiful. Lucky day. Still holding? Nice. You in or out, John?
Out.
Out.
I got out.
Oh, wow. Oh, let me get rid of this. Look at that. You son of a gun. You son of a gun.
I think it got me by 1 pip.
Holy. This is it, man. This 1 pip. Right, Mark? 1 pip,
1
Mark?
pip makes a big difference.
Hey, 1 sec. I'll be right back.
That's the life of the trader, man. They'll take you out by 1 pip and then continue moving in your favor. Still in? Nice. That's awesome. It's okay? Yeah, Ronnie, for sure. It's part of the game, man, you know? I'm focused on the next trade at this point. How do you survive this one? What do you mean? Are you still in or no? If you're stopped and get hit, you're chilling. You're still in. Let it play out. Literally put it 1 pip below you guys and W decision. I'm broke. Well, it's time to get rich. Goon Squad, let's get it. gonna take me dirt biking? Bet Cannon. Can't wait. Should I buy now? That's up to you, bro. It's up to you and your analysis and your plan. I know I'm waiting for a candle confirmation.
All right, let's see. So the 4 hours trying to pull back here. Just trying to pull back. All right, yeah. Now we'll wait. We'll wait. I'll wait on the 4 hour candle here, and then we'll see how the 4 hour candle closes up. Let's add that to the. Let's update the record. Oh, the big 30 on the year. That was our 30th loss of the year. So with that play, that I think that may be our 37th fade position. So with that same exact idea, we've pretty much capitalized on that about 33 out of 37 times right now. So we're going to continue to swing the bat at that. And I was just saying earlier, you know, like there's going to be times this year where we're going to be early. There's no doubt about it, right? Expect it. If that's not something that you want to deal with, then you spectate those ideas, right? You spectate those and you just let me do the failing, right? Over the course of the next couple months. And then that way you get a much better understanding for it next year. So I understand that. I understand that we're going to have losses. I understand that we're going to be early sometimes. That's a part of learning a new setup and learning a new position. But, you know, probability says let's keep taking that trade. So that's what we're going to keep on doing. Just 30 losses? Yeah, I think, yeah, just 30. Yeah, 30 losses there in the year, man. 30 losses in the last 7 months. You can't lose if you don't use a stop loss. That's true, but you can lose your account. Hey, you can't lose the trade, but you can lose the account.
Which is what keeps us in the game. So.
Without your account, you got nothing.
Right.
Yeah, so now we wait.
I don't see Melly.
See Melly. What lot size for 100K? I would do like 5 to 10 lots. Yeah, here we come back up towards BE now. How do you edit? You go to file and then make a copy. And then you can edit it. Yeah. %78 win rate on the year. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's lovely. Yeah, I always like to stay. I believe the system typically keeps me between like 75 and 80. So I always like to be in between that. So 78's perfect. Yeah, this looks good to keep going up. So the idea is good, but like I said, sometimes we're gonna be too early, and that's okay. All right, that's okay. That's where you use your risk properly. Like I was only risking 1% on that trade. 1%. All right, Zach, have a great day, bro. Enjoy it. Make the best of it. Count the bread in your boat.
Enjoy the season.
Yeah, enjoy it because you'll look back and you'll think, man, I remember when I was doing, what was it? 12-hour days. 12-hour days.
And all it is a season that will pass eventually.
Yeah. You can start the competition right now, yes. $70 on that, which represents 0.3. There you go. Chilling. Still in? Nice. What up, Felix?
Yeah, word, bro. Count your bread. Everyone wants to focus on the things they don't have, but what about the things you do have, right? No one puts any consideration into that. And it's a switch, you know, on perspective.
It really is, man. You know, don't speak about what you don't have or what you don't want that you do have. Speak about what you do have or what you don't have that you do. Well, oh my God. Don't speak about what you don't want that you do have. Speak about what you do want that you don't have. Yeah, my mentor used to say that all the time.
Facts, man.
Speak life into your future. All right, here we are, turning around here again. I'm still in. What do I think? If you're still in, just keep the same exact idea that we had. Right? Partials up at 2360, full target up at 2364. Yeah, unless you get like a 30 closure I think below here, but like I said, the sells are very messy down here. Right, that's another reason why we want to attempt those buys there, is because you may not push further. Like we just happen to push literally 2 pips further, because we never got that closure, right? Never got that closure below just yet. So if you do close below, then you may want to manage it, but other than that, it looks pretty good.
Good luck to y'all, still.
We got the guitar. There's another support. Yeah, that's why I think these sells are dangerous. That's why I took a buy. Right, because the 4 hours tapping target, 1 hour tapping target. This I would say this general area is target here. All right, 1 hour tapped. 30 tapped twice. That was your third tap there. So yeah, I agree.
Damn, Michael Cook, work on that relationship, man, with gold. Stay in love.
I'm falling deeper and deeper in love with gold. Yeah. Back in the range. Yeah, back in the range we go. NQ. What's the NASDAQ doing? Turning around, similar to gold. Oh wow, 4 hours dirty here. Yeah, same thing with gold. You closed right at support. You got another support about 25 pips away, and then you're pretty clean. Yeah, Nas ranging a little bit. XAU USD tatted on me.
I'm gonna do that. I want to hit a couple M's in profit first, and then I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, just a couple.
That's it.
Now we're going. Here we go.
Bro, wanted to wait for me.
Yeah, I'm still in on this other account here, so we'll see how this goes.
It always likes to drive the last 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm about ready to close some partials here. Yeah, I took this on 3 accounts. We do a little accounts. We trade some accounts, man. Just move stops to break even. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I think that's what I'll do as well here. Stops to be. I got 4 accounts. I got 4 accounts right now. I got a personal account, I got 2 futures accounts, and I have a top 1 account. I got mad accounts. Accounts on accounts.
Real, bro.
Yeah, we'll see if we can come up. This may, because look, now the 4 hour is going to need a new top wick, right? So that new top wick can come all the way up towards 65 and still come back down later. So we'll see if this one can run up, but if not, I'm going to be also looking for more sells here. You know, if we can get new resistance at some point. I got new futures. Yeah, I got two top step accounts. 150K. I got a 200K account with top 1, and then I got my own account here with like 25,000. Yeah, I almost forgot about this one. Got this trade running on 5 accounts. Nice. That's awesome. So we got 1 minute here. I'm going to close my full position right here on this account. Yeah, let's do it right here. As this candle closes.
And gold.
And I am out.
Order filled.
All right, lovely. So yeah, I'll close it there just because there's a 4 hour closure coming up here. Yeah, you may close a no top wick here too.
Crazy.
Got about 18 pips. All right. So 1 hour close very weak here. So yeah, I think our bias is playing out really well. Like that's what we expected to happen. I would expect price to start moving up. If we break that high, we're gonna definitely begin to move up. So I think what we can do here now is we'll wait for 15 closures above 2360, and then that's where I'll look to take some more buys. If not, we may create a resistance here and then start to move back down. Top step X, yeah. Yep. Damn, man. I'm a little salty, though. That hit my other accounts by literally 1 pip.
Tell me about it.
Let me get a little Quaker cry. Can I get one? Can I get one? I deserve to cry like a Quaker sometimes.
It worked out for you on your other accounts. You're chilling.
Yeah. Hey, yo, Billy O'Neill. W, bro. Yeah, so all you guys that were like, why would you take buys there? Do you guys understand the reason why? When it comes to like the fade opportunity. Today we were a little bit early, but that's okay. But do you understand why we were taking buys there? Although everything looked like it was going to go down, like it was bearish, there's reasons why we did what we did. They were all explained, but if you have any other questions, I'm more than happy to help you learn. Traders trade. Yeah, maybe the stop loss could have been bigger. You know, we already established that. That's whatever. The idea is what the idea is what's most important. The wins and losses, those are important too, but I'm more intrigued with the idea that we were right. You know, 1 pip, 2 pips, sometimes you're going to get stopped out. But the idea is what I really want to make sure is working, and it worked out well once again here. Oh, word, Xander? Let me take a look. New York session. Oh, this thing's pumping. Yeah, a lot of you guys, yeah. Welcome to the party. Oh, damn. Damn, son. Sheesh. Yo. Wow. Well, today is the day you go play the lottery, brother. Just buy a ticket. Screw it. Now that's a juice box, man. That was lovely. Good idea. Pass my funded account? Let's go. All right. Lose the lottery by 1 number. The first number, 5. The second number, 6. The third number, 4. The fourth number, 8. Oh my god, the fifth number. Please be 6. Please be 6. 7. No. No. Did I miss the trade? You did. You missed it. Oh, damn. Your boss, huh? Yeah, the price should come up towards like 64 here. I think that was our overall target, right? Yeah, 64 there.
Damn, gold.
Yep. Got us, Johnny boy, by 1 pip.
Watch.
I got a 7.
Great. It's great.
We were the liquidity. Our 1 pip. Top on competition link, exclamation point comp. For those of you guys that want to participate in it, exclamation point comp, and that'll be your free account to enter the tryout. But hey, this was perfect idea here, right? We did go down just a little bit lower than expected, which is fine. But look at how this idea worked out, pretty much to the T outside of this stupid little move down there, right? So there it goes. I entered the trade due to the 30-minute candle never closing below, coming down, making a bottom wick, coming back up, and re-breaking the high. That was the idea there. Sellers were activated in here, and then, you know, price pushes up. Hey, give me 1 second, all right? I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Yep, gold will make you watch. Yeah. But W for those who caught this move. Good stuff. Let's get Xander. I'm doing great, bro. How you doing? He taps. What's up, PM Magnifico? Yeah, I just paid the fee, bro. I had a business expense today. I paid rent to the markets for letting me trade and taking money every year. Yeah, all good, Xander. I'll get in the next one, bro. The good thing is I have the same methodology as the casino, so I'll get it right back. I ain't stressing. How'd the trade? Nice. Yeah, it almost hit my stop. It literally just hit my stop and hit TP after. If you didn't close, I would have probably closed at that 23.64 area. Because now you can see some rejection.
Hey, yo, nobody knows nothing. Chat, I'm just a YouTube guy, man. I don't know much about this trading thing. I survived by a miracle. Target tapped. Target tapped.
Well, it's not letting me do anything right now.
So yeah, I hope you guys took profits there, because that was there's a reason that we wanted that to be the target. Remember that 1 hour had no top wick, and now we've got that top wick there. So tapped into resistance perfectly. Green, did you survive that? Man, I hope Green survived that.
Hopefully. Trader Dre, man, I feel you, bro. I wasn't messing with it either when I was struggling, you know, too, but everyone wants to be a part of something with all the good things, but no one wants the bad things, right? I mean, I think you just got to take the good with the bad with the good, you know, continue moving on. There's never going to be anything you do where there's not pros and cons, you know, so it's all good. If you want if you want the good things, you got to be willing to take the bad things.
Trailed those stops like my life depended on it. Let's go. What did you trail on, the 5 minute or? Yeah, that was nice. Nice move up. So, all right, cool. So we got our move up here. The 4 hour candle has created a top wick, perfect top wick. Came back, retested resistance. 30 minute kind of moving up, still open. 15 minute. Yeah, if we can close up here, then we can kind of shift our bias back to sells there pretty soon. So let's just hang out, and there's 3 minutes left on this candle. Good job, DJ Scratches. DJ Scratcher. Yeah, the further up we can close, like the stronger bullish, the better, because that's where we'll be looking for potential entries. So the higher up we can get, the better here. Otherwise, we're back in this nasty range, and we don't want to really be there. Gold respecting trend line? Yeah, probably. It's probably a trend line sitting here. How you doing? We do a little trend line.
How you doing? Gold needs to chill.
Yeah, Pal is speaking. Is that today or
10.
tomorrow? Today, right? At 10?
Oh.
The Miracle.
Actually,
That is
yeah,
today.
Fed chair,
Yeah, 10.
Pal, classifieds, yep. My man Jerome.
Jerome. Come on, pump up more here, Gold. Four-hour coming back down here too. Let's see.
You're gonna be looking to take what, like a sell?
We'll see where we close. We gotta see where we close. It's a fibby. It's a fib. 78.6. I like 68 point. What is it? 68.1? I think that's the best one. $78.6. Typically, if you get past that, it's gonna be like a reversal, right? Yeah, this is perfect. We want to close. If we are gonna look to attempt to take sells, we want this to close like way up here by 64. Defibrillator?
Defibrillator.
I'm 10 times better when trying to get funded rather than being funded. How come? Let me ask you the greatest question on planet Earth. Why? You don't have to answer right away. Just think about it. I'm 10 times better when trying to get funded rather than being funded. Why? I survived by only 1 pip? Yeah. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Congratulations. Oh, yeah. All you guys survived by 1 pip? Awesome. Congratulations, everyone. Congrats. Very happy for you guys. Very happy. 1 pip mark. Adam Sandler. Can I ask you who my mentor is? I have a few different mentors. You guys prayed harder today? Can we fade back down? We might be able to here. We got a closure coming up. So far the 15 minutes doing it, so we'll see how the 30 closes here. And we have 9:30 coming upon us here. So the 15 is we kind of closed, like I would have been nicer. I would have been more open if we kind of closed up here. So that way our entry could have been up here, because we have all this now to retrace. So we didn't do that. So let's see if the 15-minute can actually move up, stay below 64, and then the next 15, which is going to be 9:30, that one I'd be interested, right, in the fade here. So if you get this current 15 to close like that, and then 9:30 opens up, we make a low and start filling that wick, I'll have a sell stop right there for price to come down. So 9:30 we should get volume, and if we break that, if we don't fill the wick, but we break the low instead, you should see a straight drop. Straight drop. Drop top. Patience.
Patience.
I'm liking that fade thing, eh? Me too.
Fade then.
Why only 32 spots for the competition? That's because 34 lots. No, that's because we're trying to set it up like in a way like March Madness, like the college basketball tournament. So you start with 32 and then you move down from there, 16, 8, 4, and then 2. So that's kind of the idea. Yeah, I'm fired today though, man. That 3 really good call outs here today. Had I not been stopped by 1 pip, we would have been sitting here thinking, wow, amazing, So like 3 really good trades, in pre-New York, or 1 last night, 1 in pre-New York, and now 1 here for NY Open. All lined up and kind of played out to the T there. No one knows nothing yet. Yeah, that's my main concern, My main concerns is are things playing out the way I want them to see them play out? And so far, so good here today. Outside of that stupid 1 pip. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Do a little quake. Do a little quaking, Nick. Do a little quake. All right. That's it. Don't worry quaking. What time last night? I think that was at 10 p.m. Yeah, 10 p.m. It was right here. Yeah, I took a fade. I hit the fade last night. Right here. I was gonna let it rock and go to bed. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I just closed full.
Traders Dre, maybe you should take some pressure off your trading. I think that can help you out. You may not like it, but it may help you out in your trading.
What kind of pressure? When you say pressure, what do you mean?
He says no job and he's stuck in a crib. So I would say maybe get another source of income so you're not putting all your pressure on trading.
That's smart. That's a smart thing to do. Because now you know you got money coming in, so you're not stressing it, you're not forcing anything. You're not making like bad decisions on the desk because you need money. So every decision I make here, to be honest, is not based off of money. I already made money decisions in my trading, right? In 2021, 2022, 2023. Now I'm at the point, and I've never traded better than I think I'm trading now, because I truly don't care about the money, right? It doesn't matter to me whether we win or lose the trades. It's about whether I'm right or wrong about the idea. So, you know, if you can hack your mind and pretend that you don't need money, which, by the way, you can do that, that will take some pressure off. You know, just focusing on trades playing out and being correct about the idea and the decision. You can't really do nothing about it if it gets stopped by 1 pip and, you know, moves up. But, you know, 2 things you can do is, or 3 things. You can get another, first and foremost, trade the system, right? So if you're trading your system, you shouldn't have much pressure because all the decisions are based off of the system itself and not you. So that's number 1, right? Have a good playbook, put all the pressure on the playbook to win the trades. That's what we've done all year. We know we have about a 75-80% win rate. All we've done the entire year is not care about the results, but just care about the playbook. And the playbook has gotten us to the point where we are 106 wins, 30 losses. So that hits us right around 78%. I didn't plan that. I didn't do anything to, you know, try and get that. I just traded the playbook. I took all the pressure off myself and I put that on the playbook. So that's what the playbook will yield you when you actually can commit to it. So number 1, you know, see if you can get some more income. Number 2, make sure you're running the playbook at all costs. That'll take the pressure off of you. And then what was the 3rd one? Hack your brain. Hack your brain and just pretend you got millions in the bank.
You got to have full authority over your mind, and having full authority over your mind means that you're in control of the perspective that you want, and the perspective is either a perspective that will empower you or it will devour you. It's up to you, right? The mind doesn't really care, but it's up to you. So that's why it's so important that we choose the right perspective, because it has the power to empower us or to devour us, right? So it's very key that you take control of your mind, authority over your mind, and you got your perspective that you want, and yeah, major key.
Yeah, and by the way, when I put the pressure on me, that's when I blow accounts. That's when I lose trade. That's when I have losing months and losing weeks. I'm not that good. I'm really not. I'm not that guy. Trust me. I'm not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me.
I know.
Not that guy.
I know I'm not, right? I know I'm not that guy. That's why I follow the playbook even more. Some of you guys may be like, this guy and this playbook, man, this playbook pays the bills, gang. Like, this playbook, it's got my wife home from a job, right? This playbook got me out of a job. This playbook, you know, allows our children to stay at home and hang out and live the dream, right? So I'm not that good. I'm truly not that guy, and I'll never sit here and say I am. I'm just very disciplined and very good at executing on the playbook and putting full trust in the playbook. That's it. If I am that guy, it's just because the playbook makes me that guy. I promise you.
Okay. Yeah, man. Your job isn't to make money. Your job is to execute on your plan, right? And then making money's a byproduct to execute on your edge. So neediness will always repel money, and when we come to trading, it's like one of the most important things to detach yourself from the money, because every problem in trading is caused because you want money, right? So yeah, if you detach yourself from the money and just focus on the trade and the charts, you know, that's when the money starts to actually come.
Yeah, one of the biggest skill sets is, can you use your imagination, right? Imagination is so powerful. Can you use it? You know, a lot of us, our imagination is dimmed when we begin to enter the world. You see kids, man, they're imagining everything, and you were that kid at one point, so you have that imagination in there. You got to use it. Don't listen to the world, man. Don't listen to the world tell you to grow up and do this and do that. And yes, you want to be responsible and take on the responsibilities of a man or a woman, but you never want to grow up. You want to remain childlike in your faith, remain childlike in your imagination and your ability to dream, because it's only dreamers that live the dream. I promise you that. It's only dreamers that live the dream.
That's our sixth sense too, is our imagination. So don't forget about that.
Yep. Playbook, man. I've been screaming that from the rooftop since last year, since we got on the internet, right? And everyone wants to change it and make a little nuances and do this just because it takes a losing trade here and there. But you stay consistent with your commitment to it, you will get the results.
1000%.
Any recommendations, book recommendations for not thinking about wanting money? And yeah, there's a real good book by Bob Proctor, Born Rich. You were already born rich, he says. Now you just need to determine how much money you want. You're already rich though.
Yeah, man. Also, I think a lot of people may be thinking too much in trading, and we shouldn't be thinking really at all, right? Once we know our setups and entries and our rules, like now we have to do, right? Now we have to do the work. Now we have to execute on these setups that we know, right? Like how much more studying do you have to do to understand, you know, a candlestick pattern, right? Once you understand what it is and what the setup is, once you see it, you execute, right? And now time is your edge. You give it time to play out. You give time for the probabilities to be in your favor, right? So less thinking, more executing on edge too.
Yep. Ooh, look at that. I would have missed it by a pip too. Yeah, nah, y'all know I would have closed that right there. Early. All right, let's see here.
Right. You wouldn't have wanted to hold.
All right. Yeah, let's see here how we react at 64. This is good. We wanted to see that happen, right? We want to get a little higher up there. And now we want to see if we can attempt to fill, look, 9:30 coming in 1 minute. We should fill the wick, right? If we're bullish, we should fill this wick and begin to move up. So if we create a low and then begin to struggle to fill that wick and then come down and break the low, this is where that fade may happen again, and that's where you may get your move down with all this volume coming in, right? We can't really seem to break those highs there, so we're gonna see about that in just a minute. All right, cool. So let's see if we can attempt to fill that wick. Right? Let's attempt to fill that wick, re-break the high, and then as we move into that purple range, I'm gonna have a sell stop. We got the 4 hour trying to go back down here too after making that top wick. Doom, doom, doom. Come on, we got to break that high.
You think that the current low over the 15 low?
Yeah. Current 30 low. All right, yeah, I'm going to have a sell stop here. Sell stop on the break of those lows. We tapped into that purple area. Should be good. Let's do this one too. Yeah, if we could break the high again, that'd be awesome.
Are you holding till 57?
Yeah, I'm holding till 61, and then I'll look towards 57. Yeah, 61 gives us about 20, 58 or whatever gives us about 28. So yeah.
Order
Do
filled.
this, and let me do this.
Order filled.
All right, cool. And let me do this.
The 4 hour daily, both bearish.
Yeah. All right, cool. So yeah, so we'll see. We're only good if we break the low. So if we break that low now, that's where we should get a decent move down to retrace this move here. It's about a 50, yeah, like 50 pip move there. Perfect.
Order filled.
Oh, what happened? Let me close this. All right, perfect. All right, cool. So yeah, we'll see if we can break the lows there. We'll see.
Don't sweat it, y'all. This is not like 100% winning trade. Like, there's all we have is the odds in our favor. Besides that, like, still a chance we could lose.
Every trade, every trade.
Every freaking trade.
What's up, Energy? Good
What's up,
morning.
Energy?
BRB.
That 4 hour respect in previous candle as well. 1 hour's tap in resistance. Okay. Energy, I'm doing great. How you doing? Great to be here. Good luck, traders. Good luck. In the markets, boy. Why sell? Well, according to our thesis and our technical analysis, the daily and 4 hour both bearish. 1 hour is tapping into resistance. This 30-minute has been heavily bullish now for a bit. And we also closed below that resistance level. And you also look left, there's a lot of wick rejection areas. So we break these lows at 9:30. It's a high chance we drive down. Not 100% chance, but a high chance. Wags, yeah, yes, sir. I'm taking it.
If we break the low, gotta break the lows.
And big if. We got to break the lows.
Otherwise, it's 9:30, and this could just pop.
Yep.
My stops. My trade looks like this. So stops are above these highs here. So it looks basically like this.
Stops are basically that 4-hour high.
They're about 31, 32 pips. And if we run up, it's no biggie. We're not activated, right? So this idea is only valid if we break that low. That's it. Otherwise, we're gonna go up. So all y'all trying to get them sneaky discounted entries, I hope it works. Ooh, maybe not though.
4-hour highs.
All right. Interesting. All right, I'm going to delete these. Time to delete. Oh, maybe not though. Hold on, I'm gonna leave them. I'm gonna leave these on for another 8 minutes. That pushed us up about, so it's still about a 38, 39 pip stop, which isn't too bad here. If we break those lows, you should see a very hard drive down. If we don't do that in the next 8 minutes, then I'm gonna delete it and kind of look for a better idea. What's the purple line mean? The purple line, oh, that was just like a targeted area here. Just like some sort of wick rejection area. Let's move this back. All right, this is your next area of interest right here. Word. We placed a limit order for a reason. Yo, what's up, Tommy? How you doing, man? Do you only trade support and resistance? No, if anything, I trade more so like candlesticks than anything. Support and resistance does have a lot of involvement, but I think it's mainly candlestick anatomy or candlestick, really reading price, right? Reading candlesticks. That's kind of like what I feel like I'm best at. And no ICT. Yeah. I don't even know. I've never looked into it. Price should not pass 68. Yeah, 68's a big area here. That is true. That is true. Yeah, no one really made any of this up. You know, people have been trading since like the 20s, 30s. I think the 30s, right? So I don't believe in like, oh, it's this guy's strategy or that guy's strategy. Like, we all just came here and it was already here, right? We just found like what works for us. And a lot of times, like, traders will trade the same idea and just call it something different. You shall not pass 68. Someone's got their stops above 68 here. You shall not pass 68. You shall not pass 68. You shall not pass 68. Shall,
in
man.
control.
That's a powerful word. Where's Tradeaholic, man? Man, if he got stopped by 1 pip, that would have been nuts. I would have loved to be a fly on the wall in his office.
Right, bro? I was gonna say we needed him for that trade.
Word. Yo,
Gangsta.
Tradeaholic, if you're here, do something to gold here for me, man. Straight disrespecting
Right.
me like that. On
Grind it a little
on my
bit.
own show. Dang. Pal coming in hot, deleting stuff. I'm keeping mine for Pal. How you doing, pal? Talk to me. Both brothers are wearing a chain. Oh, dang. And black shirts. Only one brother has like spit up on his, which is me.
Excuse me?
Nothing. I said
Chain tuck.
one of us has spit up on our shirts.
Oh yeah, it's you. That's that dad life, huh?
It's the dad life. Oh, push it, push it.
I just want to trade.
Uh-oh, it shall not go to 68. It shall not go to 68.
Definitely going
Start
60.
spitting them affirmations, bro. You shall not go to 68 gold.
100% going to 68 now.
All right, all right, all right. All right, whatever. You shall not go to 70. You shall not go. Don't do it. This was me in the beginning of my trading career. Not a chance we're going to get up to 68. Whoa, 68. Well, not a chance we're going to get to... Oh, my goodness. All right. 70's the number. 70 the kid. It shall not go to 70 for sure.
Hilarious.
My forex says, you shall not pass this challenge either. All of a sudden, you got your... See, the funny part about my forex funds is you'd have your stop loss up here, and all of a sudden you'd be out to trade. You're like, wait. Whoa. There's a gap here. Oh, sorry, nothing we could do. The war with Russia and Ukraine has caused a lot of slippages and blah, 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 blah.
But that just cost me 5 G's. You don't care.
But I'm down 4% on my challenge account now. Sorry, there's nothing we can do about it. Shirley? Yeah, we'll leave Shirley out of this. One guy saying you shall not get to 70. The other guy saying you shall not go lower than 64. Holy.
Literally. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
And it saved us 5 G's. Hey, it cost me $5,000 on that. Yeah, that was the point. Oh, wait, what? Gotcha. Shots fired. Boom, boom, boom. Please go
Hey, let's go purpose.
to all-time
man.
highs.
Alright, what's the wave, bro?
The wave is we're
waiting,
gonna
man.
come down here. Just give it a few minutes. We're coming down. I'm calling it here, chat. Later on, when you look at the stream,
Under,
or after the stream, when you look at the charts, you're gonna see gold all the way down. 2 hours after the live stream. Yeah. Trust me. Give it a little bit more time. You'll see it go down. All right, we did close up here though on 15 minute. So we closed on the 15. We never broke the highs there. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep this position in. I'm going to use this zone here as like a break-even point. If we can push up and fill the wick higher, I'm gonna move my sell stop up here. Right? Move it up there. Or worst case, we wait for a closure back below here. One or the other. Surely this has to be the new high, right, TK? Surely.
Really not.
Surely there's no way we can go higher than that. Yeah, we got news coming out here as well. So we got more news coming out in, not really news, but we'll have some speech going down. You shall not pass.
Yeah, I'm not interested in the buys because everything's tap and target.
Yep. Yeah, this looks a lot better here. So yeah, I'm gonna move my sell stops, and this is gonna be my new sell stop right here. Yep. Yeah, I want to test this out here. So yeah, we could fade off from here if we don't fill that wick. There should be an opportunity here for us to basically start to retrace this move here after, you know, making that big move up, right? 4 hour also broke the highs, and now it's kind of running into that zone here on the to the left hand side over here. So yeah, you have a lot of wicks, you have resistance. 1 hour, same deal. 30-minute in this resistance level, 15-minute never closed above. So yeah. Sell stops are going to be on the break of the 15 low, not the 1 hour, 15 low. Yeah, this could be a potential fake out here on the 15-minute. Some of you guys are unfamiliar with this move. Don't take it. Just don't take it. Just watch it. Trading news is allowed in the competition. Whatever you do, you do. So if you trade news, trade news. Whatever your specialty is, that's how we want to see you guys trading. So if you trade news, then trade news. If you don't, then stay away. Just trade how you would normally trade. Just keep in mind that there is a max daily drawdown, which is 5%. And then there also is a max drawdown on the account, which is 10%.
No pressure.
As long as you don't hit those, you're good to go. You're good to go.
Well, just a juicer today.
Trade news. What Raja's... Yeah. We're opening up the TTE casino here. When does the competition start? It starts right now. So get yourself an account. Hit !comp. There it is, and then sign up to get an account there. Everyone who signs up through that link, you will get a 50% discount too on any challenge that you want to get, like in the future. But sign up to that link, get yourself an account, start trading it today, and by Monday next week, we're gonna have our 34 contenders. Our 34 chicken contenders will be eligible to enter into the the competition. There's a lot at stake, man. There's what is it? There's $350,000 worth of accounts as the 4 prizes. By the way, yo, we gave away $400,000 in challenge accounts in the last 2 weeks on this live stream. Yo, shout out to all you guys who, I know Rosenbuds is up like almost 10% on that account. Like, shout out to all you guys that really take advantage of it. There are some people that win and, you know, we never seen them before and we never see them again. But, man, shout out to all you guys that are winning, who are part of the familia, and you're capitalizing. Yeah, 400K, man. I didn't even know that until I seen the was going through the newsletter. You guys enjoying the TT newsletters? Yeah, we're trying to give as much opportunity as we can while we can. Yeah, shout out to Scott. Scott's been helping me put together the newsletter and getting all the fine little details in. Scott's a very detailed guy. So you need people on your side and in your circle that just make you better. Like they're good at certain things that maybe you're not as good at or just don't have enough time to be good at. You need a team. We shall not pass 68. We shall not pass 68. Say it all in once at one time, Chad. We shall not pass 68. Try again, Wags. Just like close it out, refresh it. Do it like the video games back in the day, or when you have like a little headlight out in your car, you just boom, 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 bang on it a little bit.
Reload.
Put some spit shine on it. Should be alright. Should be good. Just remain calm, bro. Remain calm and composed. Man, something tells me Pal's gonna come in and be like, and Price just gonna be like, shoo. Okay. Whoa. $15-minute close above the purple line. Why enter on the 15-minute? Because it may be a 15 fake out. So this candle may close back in the range, but like I said, if we don't do much here in the next like couple minutes, then probably delete it. Will Pal take us to the promised land? Will they send you an email? Yeah, they'll send you an email about it. No. It won't try to charge your account. Just make sure you put in, what is the code again? I forgot what the code is. TT comp. Energy, how you doing?
Yeah, don't make sure they're not charging you. Like,
oh, okay, it has the code in it. All right. I got it now. All right, look at that. Just a little spit shine and you'll be all right. A little spit shine and you'll be all right.
damn, gold. That's crazy. Gold.
Surely you shall not get to 68. You shall not get to 68.
I was like, whatever.
You shall not get to 70. You shall not get to 70. Where could I find information about the competition? Right here. So the competition is sponsored by Top One. We're going to use their accounts. There's going to be an open tryout. It's currently open. There's a link. All you have to do is hit exclamation point comp exclamation point comp. That link's going to pop up. What you're going to be able to do with that link is when you click it, you're going to fill it out. You're going to get an email with your account credentials, right? Then you could begin to trade that account from now until next week on Monday. So next Monday, everything's going to end. Let's just say that there's 300 people, as an example, that all sign up for that link. By the way, all 300 of you will get 50% off your new or your next Top One Challenge purchase. But besides the fact, you guys are all in. So you guys will trade from today till next Tuesday, right? And then once Tuesday comes, we're going to have a leaderboard, and then the top 32 traders, percentage-wise or account growth-wise, will enter the tournament. Right, so in that tournament, you're going to be facing another trader 1 versus 1 for 1 week. You can trade however you want to trade. You can do whatever you want to do, risk whatever you want to risk. The rules are there's a max daily drawdown of 5%. There's an overall drawdown of 10%. If you breach the account due to those drawdown rules, you immediately get disqualified, and you give your opponent a very easy walk to the finish line. So don't do that, right? Make them earn it. But if you do breach, you're out, and your opponent does get to move into the next rounds, right? And then the next rounds will begin the following week. And then we'll slowly make cuts. So we'll go from 32 to 16 to 8 to 4 to 2 to 1. So that is how the competition is going to work. You're not going to be able to know what your opponent has in terms of what percentage
Order
are they
filled.
up, or what is this? What is this? Why is it saying order filled? Yeah, so you're not going to be able to know what your opponent has at any time. So that way you're not rushing your game, or you're not trying to catch up or trying to lay low because you know that your opponent's like negative 10% drawdown. So you're not going to have any idea what your partner has, or what who you're playing against has. So keep that in mind. We just want you to play your game at the end of the day. We don't want you to focus on what the other guy has, or how much they're up, or how much they're down, because that can make you pretty much make bad decisions at the desk, right? So don't do that. Focus on your own game week by week. If you're good enough, you'll advance. If you're good enough, you'll advance. And especially when we get down to like the top 2 contenders, like those should be pretty good traders, right? So at that point, you're going to get a 200K and a 100K account to trade on, and we're hoping that you pass it, right? We're hoping that you pass it, and you have the option to get payouts, because if you make it through all 32 traders, then chances are you're pretty good. So that's what we look forward to seeing, as someone who treats trading serious and professional end up winning. And yeah, hopefully it's you. Hopefully it's you. I'm going to delete this buy stop here, sell stop here, with a couple seconds left. So going to delete this and wait for news now. So time to delete those sell stops if you haven't already, but damn, this is here we are, we're at 68. You shall not go past 68. Yeah, I'm very curious though, because if we pop up, then we may have that same opportunity, right, to have a sell stop. We've already moved up quite a bit here. Oh, wow. Yeah, no sell stops. What time is it? 10? Yeah, so nothing here just yet. I think if we get a resistance form now, that would be a pretty good idea. So you form resistance here on the probably on the 15-minute time frame, and then that's when I can look for more sells, unless we begin to drive down pretty heavy here. Yeah. The link for the comp is not working. It should be. It's working for pretty much everyone else. So maybe X out and kind of go back into it. Yeah, he hasn't. Not loading. It should be good. Just give it a second. Oh, John's on mute. How you doing, John? Can anyone drop the link? Yeah, the link. Yeah, just try it again. Yeah, it looks good. We may begin to fall from here. If we get a resistance, I'm going to be interested here.
Hell yeah.
It does not cost to participate. No. Nope. Close that link out and reopen it. Just got my account. Hey, let's go AD. Let's go AD. It doesn't cost $625. It's free. They're like, yo, $600. Would you guys, if we made like a $10 buy-in on the next one, would you guys still participate if it wasn't free and we gave all the money away? We'll raise some money. Let me know. Yeah, I'm not sure why it says 627. Just exit out, put it back, and do it again. Trading takes all my money. I don't mean to laugh, man. Sorry. Yeah, you guys are down. Yeah, maybe we'll raise some money. We'll do something. Maybe we'll donate to some children or some homeless friends. I don't know. I'll think about it. I'll pray on it. Yeah, I guess
So yeah.
we're gonna start.
Are you gonna wait for 10:15 or?
I'll wait. I'll hang out till 10:15, and then if we don't get anything with that, I'll probably get off and wait for positions later.
Bet. Yeah, I think I'm about to hop off though now.
All right, cool.
I bet. So give me a call later.
All right, brother. Holla.
I bet. All right, chat. Have a good day. Stay blessed. Peace.
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 Yeah, I was thinking about having a sell stop there, but I didn't do it. That's okay. As you can imagine, Top One is probably getting demolished right now. So their customer support probably does not know what the heck to do. So just bear with them. If there's any issues, just message them. They'll fix it up. They know what's going on. They know we're doing the competition and all that. So yeah, they're probably getting smoked right now. Happy Tuesday. Their customer support. Hurry up, we need you in early today. Those time to eat guys are doing a competition. Yeah, damn. Yeah, I guess that was the sell stop right there, man. 78 pips on the move down. They did reply very quickly. Okay, nice. Yeah, they should reply pretty quickly, but any issues you got, just hit them up and they'll take care of it. No one in the chat's gonna be able to really help you that much. So just message their support team. That's what they're there for, to support. Yeah, nice move down, quick move here. I think I'm gonna call it a day, chat. I think I'm gonna call it here. Yeah, we had some good ideas here today for sure. We got some news coming in, I believe tomorrow as well. But Thursday and Friday is really what's gonna begin the showdown here. So Thursday is CPI, Friday is gonna be PPI as well, and then we got all this stuff, crude oil, you know, Powell speaking again tomorrow and all that. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Yep. Yeah, I think we're good. We'll come back at it tomorrow. Go to the announcement section in the Discord if you guys want to learn a little bit more about the challenge. Keep in mind that the registration is open and available for that the 2-day webinar we're doing at the end of the month. And yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll play the game again, and we'll have some fun and collect some data, and you know, hopefully make some money. Cool. All right, boys and girls, y'all be great, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. It's up. Love y'all.
I was down, but now I'm
We out.
yeah.
Peace, chat. Later.
It's all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, it's all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah. It's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick-tock, turn it to a tick, boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where?
I was down, but now I'm
up. Let's go.
Yeah. It's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins, for me he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death.